What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tati, and in today's video we're gonna talk about very requested topic, influencer marketing, and specifically about mediakit and what the hell is that. Okay, mediakit for influencers is something for other human beings that are not influencers, is like a CV. So it basically is providing an overview of what exactly you are doing, or what exactly a person who is hiring you or a brand who is hiring you for collaboration can expect from you and from your social media or a web resource. I have created a template for you to use it, and it's absolutely for free. Grab the link below in the description, and as well as watch the video right here. I'm gonna place the link in the description how you can edit and adapt this media kit for your personal use. The media kit shows a short representation of all your activities on social media or web pages that you own. What is your audience? How old are they? Where are they coming from? Are they male or female? Some basic demographics of the audience that follow your account or your blog or website, as well as you provide some overview of your engagement rate, how many likes and comments and so on you have on your social media pages. For the website, the bounce rate and the time spent on your website, and so on and so forth. So you can really find all this information in the media kit. But what's more important is once you have this media kit, it is important on this media kit to show what exactly are you able to do with the brands, either it's collaborations, partnership, or even become an ambassador of the brand. So really write down all the points, on which conditions and in which areas you can help the brand to reach their goals, as well as show, of course, your niche. If you're in travel niche, if you're in makeup niche, fashion niche, or a business niche, make sure to list this so the person who is looking at the brand owner who is looking at your kind of influencer CV can actually understand if you're the right fit or not. So once you have created your media kit, you wrote down all the numbers, all the successes that you have. Make sure also to include some reviews if you have already some collaborations in your portfolio, and if you're not, don't worry, don't list them for now, but make sure once you finish the collaboration and the collaboration was successful with the brand, make sure to ask the brand to write a review, ask the brand to write review for you. If you provide some reviews on your media kit, you can for sure stand out, because not so many people are doing that. So what exactly you have to do with your media kit? My previous Instagram account was around 6,000 follower base, and I started to receive some collaborations from the brands. So, and none of them actually ask for this media kit, but however, I know that some brands do ask. So it's good to have that media kit in case the brand is asking you to send them some of the examples, some collaboration and some numbers, so you have everything in one place. And make sure, of course, to keep this media kit updated. So if you like this video so far, make sure to smash this like button and follow my YouTube channel if you're not yet, and don't forget to hit this bell button to turn on the notifications, because I publish video twice a week so that you don't miss anything important. What's the media kit can be a really help of yours if you are just a beginner and you have some traffic on your website or social media channels, but however you didn't receive any collaborations. So what is good to do is to basically write the brands. Especially if you see that this brand is doing collaboration with some other bloggers similar to your niche, then go ahead and write an email to this brand that you would like to collaborate with this brand, that your hey brand X, I'm a makeup artist and I really like, I have seen that you have already started some collaborations with other bloggers, and I think I can be a really good fit to promote your products. I'm really fan of your products, and it would be a pleasure for me to promote some of your products, and please make sure to look at my media kit where I give in details about my demographics, possible options for collaborations, numbers, and so on and so forth. Just a simple email that first of all introduce yourself, show that you're interested to collaborate with this brand, and make sure to write down that you have attached your media kit to this email. So in this way you can attract really interesting collaborations and make an exposure for yourself and start to collaborate with brands. Don't worry, this is absolutely fine if no one is writing you yet. You can do it absolutely by yourself and start writing the brand. The collaboration with brands have two different options. The first option is that you work on the conditions when the brand is sending you a product for free, and you make a review on your social media pages about this product. The first option usually works for the small accounts. If you don't have a lot of follower base and traffic on your website, then this is the first step to go. And if you have already quite sufficient amount of followers and big traffic on your website, then you can of course ask money and get paid for promoting the products of the brands. So this is absolutely fine, and you can even establish your pricing list for one post, for two posts, for making a video on YouTube, or writing a blog post. Really make sure that your work is appreciated and well paid. The other thing about collaboration that I would like to mention in this video: be very careful on which conditions you collaborate with the brands, because sometimes brand wants you to publish thousands of pictures on your Instagram of one bag or one backpack or a pair of socks, and of course that would be overwhelming for your audience. Make sure not overload your account with just paid advertisement, because in this way you will annoy your followers and many people will start to unfollow you. And make sure to agree to collaborate with the brands who offer you products that is really interesting for you, not just crap that for the sake of collaboration, but really things that you like, because it would be easier for you to talk about this thing, to make a picture for professional photography of this thing, so you can publish it on your social media channel or on your website. This is really important because in my previous account I did a couple collaborations, and honestly speaking, once I agreed to collaborate with the brand, they sent me a backpack in the end, and they asked for a lot of pictures of this backpack. However, I really didn't like this backpack. It's really not a good product at all, but however I had to deliver this content, and they were really asking for a lot of content. So don't make this kind of mistakes. Make sure to choose only things that and the brands that you would really like to promote, you would try, or you truly believe in these things. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or topics you want me to cover in the future videos, make sure to list them in the comments below, because I create content based on your requests.